what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for this video because we are going to be kicking off my holiday series this year. I've been teasing this video on my Instagram and TikTok for weeks now, and it's finally finished. And that is going to be decorating my apartment. I did a decorating video for the fall time and it was so fun. I loved doing it, so I decided to do another one for Christmas. Everything turned out so cute, so cozy and festive in here, so I love it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below if you're not already. Be sure to follow me on my Instagram and TikTok because, like I said, I always post behind the scenes and little teasers of my videos and stuff. And without further ado, let's just get started with the decorating.
Well, we're off to a great start. Our tree does not come with a stand. So, we're going to Walmart. Ta-da!
Hi guys, so it's been a few days later and I'm finally finished decorating my apartment. It is so cute and cozy in here and I'm so excited to show you guys. So let's get on with the tour. So here's an overview of our living room. This is where the majority of our Christmas decorations are. So I'll start with our tree. Super cute. We went with all gold and then I wrapped a bunch of presents. So we actually have presents under the tree as well. We have a cute little Starbucks ornament and we don't have too many lights on the tree right now. We only have one strand. We need to get some more lights. Then we also have our star. Once we have more lights, it will look so much cuter. And then my light wall is going. We have our TV stand. This little reindeer is from the dollar store. This little tree light up sign thing is from Forever 21 actually. I have cute little white stockings, the ho ho ho, and some garland. This little house is from IKEA and you can actually put a little candle inside. And then this tree is from the dollar store. Then here's our couch. I got some more pillows for it. So these red ones with the snowflakes are actually from the dollar store. The ones behind it, the pillowcases are from Amazon. We could not find pillow inserts that actually fit these giant pillowcases. So I ended up putting our patio cushions in there since we're obviously not using them outside right now. And then that white fluffy one is from the Superstore actually. And then our cute little tray for the coffee table is from Walmart, I believe. I stole it from my mom. We have this little candy cane tree from the dollar store and then a little Bath and Body Works candle. My advent calendar is not supposed to be there, but this is our little tree for our coffee table. It's from the dollar store. Tree skirt also from the dollar store, as well as all the ornaments, but just a cute little tree to add a little something to the table. This is gonna be kind of hard to show, but we have these cute little snowflake lights on our big patio windows here. My family's literally had these since I was little. In the bathroom, I added a few touches. So this soap, which is vanilla peppermint, smells so good. We have another candy cane tree, this little Be Merry, little hand towel, and then a little peppermint candle. So just a few touches to spice up the bathroom. And this is our little area where we put our shoes and everything. This little sign is from the dollar store. I thought it was so cute. We have this little Christmas tree I've had since literally I was little. Put some little fairy lights on it, some cute bulbs, sticking with the gold theme. We have a random candy cane right here, and then I actually painted this cool like textured art kind of thing, and I think it looks pretty cute. And that is it for my little Christmas apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe down below, as well as follow my Instagram and my TikTok. I post a lot of fun little behind the scenes clips that you don't really see on my channel here. And that is everything, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!